today's story is can you read it for me? Yes. Today's story is it wrong to eat meat? Okay, thank you. Let's eat. Let's eat into the chapters. You read the first chapter. To eat meat, to eat or not to eat. Some people love to eat meat. They enjoy chicken, steak, hamburgers, and other food that once have lived animal. Other people, however, choose not to eat meat. They do this for different reasons, including a belief. Do you know how to read this word? Here, do you want to read how to read this word? If not, then let's search how to read it. Okay, let's. Okay, now let's see how it's read.
Belief.
Oh, belief. Okay, belief that this will make them healthier. Another reason people don't like to eat meat is because they believe it's wrong to kill and eat animals. Their point of view affects what they choose to eat. People who eat meat generally have an opposite point of view. They don't like believing they are doing anything wrong when they eat meat. Read on to learn more about both sides of this debate. Vegetarian and vegan. A vegetarian is a person who doesn't eat meat. This generally also include fish, other sea animals such as shrimp, raising to feed people. Shrimp or clams I think we need one more word. And
Poultry.
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 Okay. Poultry. Okay. Which are birds such as chickens that are raised to feed people. Some vegetarians eat other food that come from animals. These included dairy products such as milk and cheese and eggs. Other people don't eat or use anything that comes from animals. These include meat, dairy products, eggs, and even honey because it comes from beef. People who follow this way of living are known as vegan. Animal rights. Many people become vegetarian or vegan because they support the animal rights movement. This movement was found in the believe that animals should be valued for more than what they give to people. People who feel this way about animals believe it's wrong. It's wrong to kill a creature such just so that we can eat it. They also think it's wrong to make animals suffer because animals can feel pain. Many people who choose not to eat meat believe their choice will save animals' life. People as predators. People who eat meat often don't think about animal rights. In some cases, they don't believe animals have rights, so they are not bothered by eating animals. They believe eating meat isn't wrong because animals can't think the way people can. They also argue that people aren't only living that eat meat. Other animals do it too. Some animals are predators, and some animals are prey that are hunted and eaten by predators. Using this way of thinking, people claim that humans are no different from other predators, such as lions or bears. Factory farming. One of the main reasons people feel it's wrong to eat meat is the way animals often treat before becoming food for people. Many animals are raised in a factory farm, which are large indoor farms. Factory farms are often crowded, and the animals don't generally taken outside. They live in cages or pens for their whole life. Animals in factory farms are often feed things that are not meant to eat. For example, cows or sometimes feed corn when their bodies are built to eat grass. This isn't healthy for animals. Other choices. Many people who eat meat also believe that factory farming is cruel. Instead of choosing to eat meat or eat all meat, they choose only to eat meat that comes from places other than factory farm. Also, factory farming produces most of the meat people eat. It's not the only way to raise animal or food. Some people choose to eat free-range meat, such as chicken. Free-range chickens are allowed to go outside, unlike chickens raised in factory farms. This makes people feel better about eating meat because the animals live a better, healthier life before becoming food. The U.S. Department of Agriculture is the part of the U.S. government in charge of farming. Harming the environment. People around the world are working to have the earth safe and clean. Some of them believe it's not eating meat is a way to do this. They think it's wrong to eat meat because raising animals or food is bad for the environment. Factory farms create pollution which harms the earth. Raising animals or food also requires a large amount of fresh water and land, which are rarely in short supply. Trees, which are needed for clean air, sometimes cut down to make enough room for farms and ranches. According to a 2009 study, more than 80% of the deforestation or cutting down trees in the Amazon rainforest was done to create cattle ranch. Meat for the brain. Some people argued that if it's wrong to eat meat, our bodies wouldn't be built to do it. Humans have eaten meat for millions of years, and some scientists believe eating meat helps the human brain become more advanced. Eating meat allowed early humans to take in more calories than they would be eating only plants. This allowed their brain to grow. Also, animal products such as meat and eggs are the only natural way to get vitamin B12, B12. The human body needs this vitamin for many tasks, including making red blood cells. Meat became a major part of the human diet around 2.6 million years ago. Expecting other points of view. People make many choices every day about the food they eat. In some cases, they make the choice not to eat meat because they believe eating meat is unhealthy or wrong. In other cases, they choose to eat meat because they like how it tastes. Don't believe there's anything wrong with it. Not everyone makes the same choices about food. And people sometimes judge other based on the food they chose to eat or not to eat. However, it's important to understand why people make the choices they do. This can help you to treat everyone with respect. Meatless Monday is an initiative or plan that started in 1203 to encourage people to stop eating meat on Monday. What? Is it wrong to eat meat? Yes. Animals have rights, which are taken away when they're killed for food. Animals can feel pain, so killing them for food is cruel. Factory farms are unhealthy for animals. Eating meat is bad for the environment. The grain used for feed animals are killed for food because the food could be used instead to feed hungry people. No, animals can't think, so they don't have rights. Predators killing prey for food is part of nature. Not all meat comes from factory farms, and some animals raised for food live a good life before being eaten. Eating meat helps the human brain become more advanced. People need animal products such as meat to get vitamin 12 naturally. This chart can help you form an education or informed opinion about eating meat and understanding why others might have a different point of view. This is the chart. Now we will move to the glossary. A fact means to produce an effect on something. Amazon rainforest is a large, warm, and wet forest in the South America around Amazon River. Debate. Oh, I have to talk about the debate very much, but a debate is an argument or discussion of an issue generally between two sides. Diet means the food and drinks a person takes in. Encourage means to take something more likely to do something. Encourage. Environment is the natural world around us. Proof is something shows something else is true or correct. Publish is to print and writing work and present it to the public. A ranch means a group of farms raising horse, cattle, or sheep. Vitamin means some animals and plants in small amounts to stay healthy. So we have done reading the book. Is it wrong to eat meat? We will go to should every community have a library? Okay. Bye.